Camel Case. What is Camel Case? I'll turn off this. Camel Case. Alright, so when you do programming the camel, you see this bump up to this camel case all the time. So we put a my longest camel case function. Say this guys, this one, now we put our longest camel case function in here. That's what called camel case. Camel case is when you're writing some program to make it readable, make it a lot easy, so you guys can read it. Alright, so we put it camel case. If I put a alright, so if I put like this, if you guys programmer and comes and see and look at my code, it makes a lot easier, it makes a lot sense for you guys for readability purposes, that you guys can see, alright, this is my longest camel case function, right? But how about if I put like this for you guys? So we put a void and we put another one. Alright, so anyone comes and read this code, they're gonna freak out. I tell you guys 100% they're gonna freak out. They say, what the hell is this? Sorry for the language. What is this? Why they look at this camel case here. So look at this, you guys can read it very easy, yeah? But look at this, it becomes almost impossible for you guys to read. Or look at this is the longest function with no camel case. So the camel case makes the job a lot easy and readable. So I'm putting like this in camel case. Anyone comes and look at this, it says makes the job a lot easy and readable. And if I want to put more, and if I want to add more lines, still okay. So as you guys can see, this is like a nightmare. You guys might see, scratch your head and for half an hour and thinking, what the hell, sorry for the language again, what is this? And if you look at this, you guys see it makes the job a lot easy and readable. And if I want to add more line, still okay, lines is still okay. This makes the job a lot easy. Anywhere you go inside the functions, anywhere they use this camel case. Say if I put a my comment, yeah, it makes a lot easy. My comment or my function or my any for any other functions, you guys put like this is a lot easier. Or say my longest function. My longest function is still okay, that's fine. By all means, you guys can do this. So how about if you guys like this, my longest and longest function. You guys see the difference. I'll remove this, my longest function. All right, so if you guys got like thousands of codes, which I 100% believe that you guys will face, like thousands and thousands of functions and codes, because you guys want to be programmers, yeah. Look at the two different functions. Look at the first one is very readable, and the second one is a nightmare. See, they're both functions inside the grouping or block. So the first one's is very readable, it's very clean code, it's very good, and the second one is confusing. The computer knows how to read this. Was how about you guys? And some of the people, they do like this minified. It becomes even harder for you guys to read. I'm going to show you how to minify the things, how to hide your code, encapsulation, blah blah blah. But now what you guys need to learn is from the beginning, that you guys should learn that put Camel Case. So previous video we discussed how to do this comment, and now the Camel Case. Again, we go to PHP Symfony, and you guys can see how clean is this post controller, abstract controller. You guys can see that the front of this one and this one is a lot easier to read. And even if you guys can see this one, Symfony, how Symfony organizes this this code. So with this one, it says app entity post, app repository, post repository. So you guys can see how easy to read. Makes it the first letter is always uppercase, and the rest is everything, even though this is the files and folders inside this Symfony, but you guys can still reads. Say if you guys can go to this response, say if you guys can go here inside this, you see this Camel Case. Even the namespace is Camel Case. See, this browser kit is a Camel Case. Anyway, Symfony is PHP is very high level programming framework, and I'm try to show this PHP Symfony in future videos. But at the moment, you guys seen this comment inside the C++ and inside this PHP, and inside, see if this says get header is Camel Case, the first letter of the small, and the rest one is this in the middle is a big for readability purposes. So the programmer try to explain, gets the response header, is try to explain the function. First, the programmer is trying to explain this function for others to know. And plus, now the programmer is also using the Camel Case here. Say the Camel Case here. And we already discussed this comment, that you should leave comment for others to read. So you guys, anyone comes and look at this code, gets it easy. They say understand easy. They said, okay, that's a final class, and that's a constructor, and that's a function, magic function, magic methods, and that's every method's got this comment, and it's got this Camel Case. Same exactly same convention, same naming convention applies to C++. There is no exception. You guys should be aware of this, and this is the best practice to do this Camel Case. All right, that's it for today. We discussed comments and Camel Case functions, and I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye.